Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what we have here. I recently got this cookbook, guys, and I am so excited because this cookbook has pictures. I like cookbooks that has pictures because you can see what actually the food is gonna look like when it's done. So I'm pretty excited about this cookbook. It's an air fryer cookbook and it says quick and easy, which is really true. So we are going to try this pork chop today. It's called Aromatic pork chops. And I'm going to put the link on the description box for this cookbook, guys. And you can get this from Amazon. I really like this one. Again, I said I like this one because it has the pictures and there's plenty of really easy recipe. And the good thing about this guy is each recipe has the picture for that recipe. So it's easier for you guys that likes to see what the food looks like when it's done and it's already there. So we're gonna try this one, aromatic pork chops. So we have black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, paprika, mustard, olive oil, soy sauce, and brown sugar, and of course our pork chop. And it says on the direction, put it on a Ziploc bag, but I don't have a big one, so I'm just gonna mix everything here. And while I'm going to mix all these ingredients, I'm going to preheat the air fryer for 370 degrees. So let's do that. So guys, it says to add cilantro and I don't like cilantro, so I'm just going to add parsley instead. Don't be afraid, guys, if you don't have the ingredients or if you do not like some of the ingredients. You don't really have to follow everything, exactly everything. The best thing is you have an idea of what to cook. So this cookbooks, guys, becomes really handy when I don't feel like thinking of what I wanna make. So it's really good to have. And again, guys, I'm gonna put the link where you can get this cookbook on my description box, so you can order it from Amazon if you want. Just click on that link. So now I'm going to just put the pork chop like that. Maybe poke it so the seasoning will go inside the meat. It smells really good, guys. Now it's ready to put it in the air fryer. Looking good. Few more minutes. Okay, guys. While we are waiting for our pork chop, I just made some broccoli for our side dish. I just blanched the broccoli and put salt, pepper, and lemon. juice for our side dish. And I also roasted some yellow peppers and onions. Look at the onion, looks so yummy. Perfect. And you just lay it down like that. That looks good, that burnt fat. And then put more of the roasted onion. Look at that, guys. A whole meal for less than an hour. So again, guys, I'm putting the link for this cookbook in the description box if you are interested in purchasing it from Amazon. It's available at amazon.com. Let us try our pork chop. Okay, guys, let's try the pork chop. Of course, I will give the fat part. You know me, I don't mind eating fat. Look how perfect. Look at that. Juicy. Let's put some onions. Let's try some. Let's eat, guys. Kain tayo. Let me taste it. It is so good. It's really yummy. Okay, guys. I'm going to enjoy my dinner. And I will see you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.